What is a voter file and how does it help campaigns? Imagine trying to find the right people to talk to in a crowd. Now think of a voter file as a detailed map that shows exactly where those people are and what they care about. A voter file is a big database that lists information about registered voters in a specific area like a state, district, or county. It includes their names, addresses, party affiliations, age, gender, and how they have voted in past elections. Some voter files also add extra details from commercial sources, like phone numbers, income levels, and shopping habits. Campaigns use voter files to figure out who is most likely to support them or be persuaded to change their minds. This helps them focus their time and money on the right voters instead of wasting resources on people who are unlikely to support. By analyzing the data, campaigns can see which voters have a history of voting, which ones are registered but haven't voted recently, and which voters belong to certain groups or parties. This process is called creating constituent profiles. Knowing this information allows campaigns to plan better. They can decide who to contact, how often to reach out, and what message to send. For example, if a voter has a history of voting in Democratic primaries, the campaign might focus on encouraging them to vote in the general election. If a voter has never voted before, the campaign might target them with messages about why their vote matters. Voter files also help campaigns decide where to spend their advertising dollars and how to organize volunteers. If they know certain neighborhoods have many persuadable voters, they can send more canvassers there. Plus, voter files can be used to identify potential donors for fundraising efforts. Campaigns can see who has given before or who might be interested in donating. Obtaining a voter file usually involves working with state election offices, political parties, or commercial vendors. The quality of these files varies, but the best ones combine multiple data sources to give a clear picture of each voter. Campaigns then use this data to craft targeted messages that speak directly to different groups. In short, a voter file is a campaign's secret weapon for understanding and reaching the right voters. It turns raw registration data into useful information that guides every step of the campaign, from voter outreach to fundraising. By knowing who their supporters are and who they need to persuade, campaigns can run smarter, more focused efforts that make every dollar and every hour count.